Welcome to ScanDecor's Pro Tip video series. Today we're going to focus on the FINISHpro digital die cutter lineup. And we've had a lot of requests recently how to change the blades on these digital die cutters and how long does it take to change a blade. Because as we know, the fascinating thing about digital die cutting is there are no dies. We just have the blade and the drag tool here, and then we also have the EOT blade, and then we have the rotary score wheel, and that score wheel can also be switched out for perforation wheel. So in this pro tip, we're going to show you how to change them out and how long it takes. All right, so we're going to start with the drag knife here. Very simple to change. You simply unscrew the clamp, set that to the side, pull the drag blade out. You unscrew it with the red side down so that the blade stays put within the carrier. And then we recommend a small pair of needle nose pliers. Simply remove it. And that there is the blade. And then you can buy a ScanDecor pack of knives. We normally sell these in a 5-pack. And how this comes is with the red silicone. So again, needle nose pliers, pull the red silicone off. Watch out, that is very sharp. Put this back in the holder. Simply set it in there. Again, we screw this back on. And then depending on your stock, you do have your depth adjustment, which is here. That is screwing it so the blade is out further. For thicker stock, thinner stock, you can bring the blade in. Set it back in, get the clamp, hold it there, get the screw here, and screw it in so it's all tight and secure. And that is how you change the drag tool on the FINISHpro digital die cutter. Next, we're going to switch the crease wheel holder out for the perforation wheel holder. Again, quite simple. Step number one, as you can see, our operator has gone into the controlling software and rotated the holder so I can access the Allen key. Next, I'm going to use the provided Allen key that comes with the ScanDecor digital die cutter and use it to release this Allen key that's holding the holder in place. Now we will loosen the Allen key. All right, I've loosened it. The crease holder has dislodged. As you can see, there's the score wheel with the Allen key up top. Next, we're going to place the perforation holder on the shaft. Simply put it in place and slide it up till it is seated. And then you use the provided Allen key again. It's the same as the one we used on the score wheel. Till tight. All right, so now we have changed the creasing holder out for the perforation holder, and it is seated now. To adjust the depth on that perforation tool, you simply just rotate this clockwise to go high, counterclockwise to lower it. So that is the holder change out. Now we're going to change the EOT blade in the digital die cutter, and it's important that in the software you do put it into EOT blade changeout mode. First, you want to release this clamp. Simply undo the screw. The air cylinder will push this down, like so. And then you want to evenly pull this down side to side, like so. As you can see, it's dislodging, and you pull it out. So that's our clamp there. Now we will use the provided ScanDecor Allen key to release the holder of the actual EOT blade itself. And this blade is quite sharp. We'd recommend holding it with a pair of needle nose pliers. Again, this might appear dull when you're using it, but this is definitely sharp enough to injure yourself. So we loosen the screw, feel it coming loose. I've got the blade, and the holder will come out as well. Next, we will load the actual cutting EOT blade into the holder. We'll use a pair of needle nose to hold it. That is very sharp. You want the up portion of the blade on this side with the thin piece of the holder on your right. Now we will load it into the machine. All right, now we will insert the blade holder into the actual die cutter itself. Thin piece of the holder faces the set screw. All right, we're now in the digital die cutter. Use the provided Allen key and tighten. Now our fresh EOT blade is loaded into the machine, and we just need to set the clamp. Now we will put the clamp assembly back on the die cutter. Remember to push up the air cylinder, tighten the thumb screw. Your fresh EOT blade is loaded into the machine. All right, now that the blades are set in the machine, we need to set the depth. Again, it's the same as the score tool. You simply just have this. You turn clockwise to bring the knife up, counterclockwise to put the EOT deeper into your paper stock. It is important to set this correctly. Just go slowly with one piece of paper. Make sure the depth is set correctly if you're doing a new piece of paper, a new type of paper stock that you haven't done yet. Just because if it is too deep, you will cut through your cutting mat, which no one likes that. Thank you for watching this pro tip video on the ScanDecor digital die cutters. Hopefully it's helpful to you. You now know what's involved to change the blades, the score wheel and perf wheel in the FINISHpro digital die cutter, and roughly how long it takes. If you have any other additional questions on the technical side of this machine, feel free to reach out to our service team. You can call the 1-800 number. You can also email service@scandecor.com. But maybe you're interested in buying one of these machines. You want to do these new and cool things in your shop. Well, you can email sales@scandecor.com, or again, call that 1-800 number. Either way, we want to hear from you. Feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.